Okay, so we need to get on this bus heading to Jerusalem, and yeah, we're going to Jerusalem, and it's gonna be pretty nice. So let's get on. Yeah, it's like that. Nice day.
Not really well done, the roads.
Yeah, I never usually, I'm on the bus too much, but I might pull this down because it is hot. Alright, let's head to Jerusalem. I don't know, some sort of, oh, I've seen people on the plane with those things. I don't know what that is. We could maybe get it. So yeah, we made our way to the Western Wall here, as you can see. And it's a very cool sight. The whole area is insane. But we had to split for a second because this is the men only side. And on the other side of that fence is the women's side. So we split for just a minute. Actually, I asked, she went over there. But you also have to have your head covered, so I have a yarmulke on for the first time. And yeah. I don't know about all that hand. I don't know what the hand things are, but yeah, it's, I don't know. So but we're going to touch the wall now, and then yeah, we are going to touch the wall. Western Wall, and we're gonna be holding. So this is it. As you can see, there's lots of prayers or notes people write, prayers I believe, and they pray to the wall, and I think they ask for someone to see either praying or talking to the wall, and they stick all these notes. As you can see, they're writing prayer and notes, I'm supposing, and they lots of prayer stations and literature, and yeah, so I guess this is the oldest wall that survived some of their big wars that happened back in the day, and that's, so I'll show you now how to touch the wall. I suppose you just like this, and obviously it's very old. It's just, it's pretty intense feeling down here. So I try not to be insensitive, and yeah, I'm obviously not Jewish, but so yeah, I try to be respectful. But yeah, that's the Western Wall, which is very cool. My battery's dying, which is gonna suck if I can't get any more juice of Jerusalem, because there's a lot more to explore. I think we're gonna see, and yeah, hopefully I can get some shots of it. I might use my phone, but yeah, the Western Wall, the most important, so I saved my battery for it. And yeah, we're just in Jerusalem. It's very cool. Again, the women's side over here. Men's side here, you must wear headpiece to touch the wall, cover your head, and yeah, that's it. So let's see what else we got around here. Cool. Thanks for joining with us at the wall, and yeah. See, let's see what else is around. We're looking for XJI right now, so right, we'll try to link up with her and then get back to the exploration. Yeah, so we have crept up into the old city, which is right up from the Western Wall, and it's just like this super old city, which is like the lasting thing. And yeah, we're just taking a walk through now, and it's super cool looking. Last bit of battery, so the camera will die but I figured I'd go out showing this footage because it's very nice. So, let's, yeah. They got the carpets. There's a lot of people also. I kind of do, yeah.
What is that?
Lemon and orange.
Yeah, I'll do orange. Yeah. Yeah. How many is? Oh, I have.
I'll have one orange.
Yeah, I guess. What is this?
Lemon.
I have 10, or do you want I can pay for all? I have a 50.
You have, can you pay for
Yeah, I'll pay for them, yeah.
yeah, I'll pay for them.
Oh wait, I don't have a 50, I only have a... What do you have? There's 10.
Okay.
Do you have change?
Yes, I have
Okay, I have 100. Yeah, I'll pay.
I have a change.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, I don't need.
Oh, thank you. Whew. Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Thank you.
Delicious, thank you.
It's really good stuff.
I know, I was looking maybe the...
Handmade
Yeah, you should get some pants. They have those girl like pants one. I should get a headpiece so I don't burn.
Is there something for men?
Yeah, this is like...
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Give me good songs. Which one? Give me good songs. Where are you from?
India.
Where?
India.
You are welcome. Welcome to the nice place. Nice and nice. Welcome. Welcome. Give me good clothes.
How much is this one?
Which one, bro?
50 50, okay.
I got many colors inside.
Okay.
I have like 10 colors inside. New ones in the plastic. I'm just showing you. Give it a chance, please.
Give the chance, please.
Come back again?
Yeah, we are taking a walk. It's okay, we'll walk. Yeah, alright, we gotta go. We'll be back, yeah. They don't know how to say no. 46. Holy. He's just chewing. Oh, this one looks. Oh.